Have you ever seen those floaty, wavy edges on some stretchy tops and skirts? That's a lettuce hem, and it's easier than you'd think. Do you want to see how I do it? I look for stretch fabrics that naturally want to curl up at the edge like jersey knit when I'm looking to make bolder frills, and I always sew along the edge with the biggest direction of stretch. It's worth playing with other stretch fabrics, but any that don't curl will come out as more of a subtle wave instead. I shorten the stitch length to around 1.5 millimeters. I've got a jersey needle in and I'm switching my regular foot for an overcast foot. At the front of the foot there's a little guide to line the fabric edge up against. In the middle of the foot is a bar, but be careful here because that bar is right in the stitching area, so make sure that you pick a wide enough zigzag or overcast stitch so the needle lands clearly on either side of it. Let's get stitching. I usually start with a few stitches forward and backward to anchor in the thread at the start. Not too many though, or they can get stuck on the bar. Then, as I sew my zigzag stitch over the edge, I gently stretch the fabric with both hands. See how I've got one in front and one behind the foot? Not too hard, just enough stretch to make that pretty little ripple. The zigzag holds the stretched edge in position, while the rest of the fabric pings back into its regular shape, which is what makes that cute ruffled lettuce effect. I try to keep my sewing steady. If I try to zip through too fast, I'm more likely to have some areas overstretched and other areas not stretched enough, which means my ruffles can look all uneven after. If the edge is trying to pucker as you're stretching and sewing, some machines just need a slightly lower thread tension to do it. You can already see the lettuce hem shape starting to come out nicely. Okay, maybe not quite that lettucey shaped. The wider the zigzag width is and the smaller the stitch length is, the more well-defined the ruffles tend to come out. That's because more fabric's being caught up and held in that stretched out position. Also, the dense stitching adds more structure and that helps it to hold its shape better too. Isn't that fab? Want to sew together again? Stick around and I'll bring you more soon. Bye now.